the fourth quarter, how tough is it facing this Blackwater team despite their two-game losing streak?
They're really a different team right now under Coach Pat. He's done a really good job. And then they're believing in each other. They're playing hard. They're playing fast. And I think one of our goals was to stop them from running their transition offense, and we were able to do that. I mean, credit the guys. We were able to get some stops. It was tough, but we battled. We didn't give up. We got enough stops when it mattered, and we were able to eke out the win.
Coach, in the last game against Negotiate, you were a bit frustrated with the physicality. How were you able to address that going to this game?
Well, we sent some videos to the PBA. I think they admitted naman that there were some missed calls, but we told the guys that it's not about the referees, it's also about us. We played soft. I think they were able to bully us and be more physical than us, and hindi kami pumalag. So we made sure we wanted to address that. We wanted to be the ones that were more aggressive today, and credit the guys. I mean, they were great. Perk was great and really helped us to our win today.
Perk, congratulations. Good game tonight. Get the win. You went the first round with the 4-1 record on top of Group B, as Coach said, the group of them.
Yeah, we're just trying to make playoffs to win games. yeah, I don't know.
Wow, a few words, man, a few words now.
Yeah.
What's going on? Tired?
Coach, 4-1, you said na group of them to. Were you surprised na we end up with on top and second? Your expectations for the second round?
I don't want to say surprise naman, but kami as a team, we try to believe that we can win every game. We just ask them to compete every game, and so far we've been competing this conference. All we ask is to give ourselves a chance to win. Don't self-destruct. Don't do silly things that will cost us the game. And we've been doing it game by game. I still think we've been catching a lot of breaks, and we just can't relax. We're in a good position to make the playoffs. Kami naman, step by step. We just take it one game at a time, and we try to get as many wins as we can. Kasi nga, we know the teams are gonna catch up. Ginebra's always gonna be there for sure. Rain or Shine's always a semi-finalist. Meralco rin. So kami yung trying to just find a way to sneak in. We're one of the younger teams. So hopefully we can continue to play this way. But I still think we can get better, and we have to get better.
Coach, offensively si Mamu, lang thoughts mo sa kanya, ano na ba siya, parang mag-adjust na ba siya sa team?
Kulang pa, but finally we actually had some practice time with him before this game. I think that mattered a bit. We had a little chance to rest. He still has to figure things out. I'm also trying to figure him out, and obviously our rotation changing game by game, diba? Trying to get guys in the right spots. Mamu was good. Si Francis Escandor also came back from an injury. I thought he gave us good minutes also. Diba? Perk was solid as usual, but I'm waiting for si Kai Balungay to have his breakout game. I mean, eventually it's gonna come, and hopefully we can have games where we all play well together. Kasi so far, pa isa-isa pa lang kami. We haven't had a game na everybody's been playing really well.
Jason, good evening. How do you like the composition of the team, being partly Ateneo and San players?
Ugh. No, it's nice. They're very professional. Besides where they go to school, everyone's really kind, and when you go to work or you play basketball, you want it to be a nice working environment. Also, I love Coach. Coach holds everybody accountable from the first to the last, so you have no choice but to get better. So beside the results, it's nice in practice because every day we can see the improvement. Yeah.
Cooking to cooking to. What do you want? How many more minutes do you want, man?
Coach, thank you.
Thank you.
That's our principal.
Thank you.
Thank you.